Here are 5 things you didn't know about Rome's most notorious emperor, Nero. First, he likely started the Great Fire of Rome in 64 AD to clear land for his Golden Palace. While the myth says he played fiddle while the city burned, fiddles didn't exist yet. But witnesses saw him on his palace roof, singing about the fall of Troy as flames consumed everything. Second, he used Christians as human torches to light his garden parties. After blaming them for the fire, he had them covered in pitch and set ablaze to illuminate his evening feasts. Third, he murdered his own mother Agrippina after multiple failed attempts. He tried poison, then a collapsing boat designed to drown her. When she swam to shore, he simply sent soldiers to finish the job. Fourth, he married a castrated slave boy named Sporus, dressing him as his dead wife Poppaea. He even held a public wedding ceremony, treating the boy as his empress. Fifth, facing rebellion in 68 AD, he committed suicide crying, "What an artist dies in me." Even in death, his ego remained intact.